So here's a video on how to reset your password if you can't log in. Just hop on over to my.logomakr, LogoMakr.com, and go to the bottom here, and it just says lost your password. Click on that and write your email. Now, if your email, if it gives you an error right here and it doesn't have the right email, you could contact us. Maybe you wrote it in caps or something, or you have one of them in caps. That's an issue. Sometimes people do this. They also write something and they put at Yahoo instead of Gmail. That's another thing. But if you can't figure it out and you can't log in, it gives you an error here saying it can't recognize the email, then email us at support@logomakr.com and send us your full name and any details. If you got an email from us, then you have the right email. Check that email and send us the order number. But it should work if you have received a receipt from us when you purchase something. So put in your email. If you're locked out, then wait like 20 minutes. Sometimes if you try to log in too many times, it'll lock you out. Wait like 20 to 30 minutes, and that's it. Otherwise, email us the exact email and we could restart your password for you. But this is the way to do it properly. Just go to LogoMakr.com, my.logomakr.com, and click on reset password right here. And that's it. And then you should be given an email, and then you could reset your password from there. It will send you an email and instructions on how to do that.